Hello everyone, our daily current affairs video lo apnalogok swagatam janaisu. So let's start. Rajya Sabhaই এটা motion adopt কৰিছে কিহৰ কাৰণে 10 গৰাকী members of joint committee of parliament nominate কৰিবৰ কাৰণে এটা motion adopt কৰিছে. Such committees are constituted to examine important bills and issues in detail. So, এনেকুৱা committees খিনি কিয় form হয়? To examine important bills examine কৰিবৰ কাৰণে বা issues খিনি কিছুমান বেলেগ subjectটো detail study কৰিবৰ কাৰণে এইখিনি এনেকুৱা committees form হয় ঠিক আছে the motion ensures parliamentary scrutiny and accountability in law making strengthening the principle of legislative oversight ঠিক আছে ইয়াৰ related এটা MCQ চাম Okay, with reference to joint committees of parliament, consider the following statements. So here are 4 statements about the joint committee of parliament. Kungita correct hai ami sabo lage. A joint committee of parliament consists of members from both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So eta joint committee both houses or para ki thakibo pare members thakibo pare. So statement 1 is correct. Second to ki koise such committees are constituted for detailed examination of a bill or a specific subject matter. Enuka committees kihor karone constitute kora hoy detail examination karone important bills ba belek specific issue ba subject matter examine koribo karone. So statement 2 is correct. 3 to ki koise the members of a joint committee are nominated by the President of India. It is not correct. Joint committee members of president nominate nokore houses kita nominate kore hoy na nohoy. So statement 3 is not correct. 4 to ki koise the report of a joint committee is binding on the government. এটো নহয় ৰিপৰ্টটো বাইন্ডিং নহয় ঠিক আছে এনেকা নহয় কি এটো মতে চলিব এটো হে ৰিপৰ্টটোৱে কনসিডাৰ কৰিব লাগিব that is not true. So statement 4 is not correct. 1 and 2 only will be the correct answer, that is option A. So yato koise the report of the joint committee is recommendatory, not binding on the government. ঠিক আছে মনত ৰাখিবা Industry 4.0. Recently, the government of India has emphasized youth-centric skilling programs aligned with Industry 4.0. Ki korise? Government of India youth training, youth-centric skill programs emphasis dise aligned with Industry 4.0 and futuristic technologies such as artificial intelligence, robotics, artificial intelligence, robotics, cybersecurity, green jobs, and space technology. Initiative like the Skill India Mission, PM Kaushal Vikas Yojana, and partnership with global industry aim to prepare India's youth for the challenges of a rapid changing economy. So, India youth khinik prepare koribo karone skill youth centering skilling programs kora hoise hoy na hoy. The focus is on creating a future ready workforce, enhancing main focus to ki eta future ready workforce create kora India youth khinik a challenge rapid changing economy challenges o karone prepare kora and making India a hub of innovation and driven talent. So aru India eta hub of innovation aru driven talent ki kora hub bonwa hoy na nohoy. So MCQ now. With reference to youth and futuristic skilling in India, consider the following statements. So here are 4 statements. Kungita correct time to sabo lage. PM Kaushal Vikas Yojana has been launched to align skilling with emerging technologies like AI and green jobs. So etur PM Kaushal Vikas Yojana bhagor yojana to kyo launch kora hoisile to align skilling of emerging technologies janike AI notun ke emerge hua technologies khini uporot skilling kora and green jobs etu karone etu scheme launch kora hoisile. So statement 1 is correct. 2 to ki koise the National Education Policy to 2020 emphasizes integrating vocational education and skill training into school and higher education. So the National Education Policy ki emphasis korise integrating vocational education aru skill training into school and higher education. So statement 2 is correct. 3 to ki koise futuristic skillings aim only at technical training and does not cover soft skill like communication and critical thinking. This is not correct. Eto okol not only aims at technical training, eto incorrect hoy. It also cover skills like communication, soft skills to cover kore, thik ase, communication, critical thinking, ekini soft skills to cover kore, not only technical training. So statement 3 is not correct. 4 to ki koise India's demographic dividend provides the opportunity to become a global supplier of skilled workforce. So statement 4 is correct, because the 1, 2 and 4 only will be the correct answer, that is option A. Okay, next. ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization Chairman V. Narayanan announced that first test flight of Gaganyaan, India's first named space mission, is scheduled for December 2025. কেতিয়ালৈকে schedule কৰিছে? কেতিয়ালৈ schedule কৰিছে? So Chairman V. Narayanane announce কৰিছে যে প্ৰথম test flight of Gaganyaan is scheduled for ketia December 2025. Mono rakhiba etu. The mission has already completed nearly 80% of required 7,700 tests. Aru nearly 80% complete korise test, with a race expected in March 2026. So far, ISRO has achieved 196 milestones this year. The project also highlights India's advancement in high-thrust electric propulsion systems and global space leadership with major events like this. So, at MCQ song. With reference to India's Gaganyaan mission, consider the following statements. Gaganyaan mission or bikoye amak sarita statement dise kungita correct hai ame sabo lage. Gaganyaan is first India's first human spaceflight mission being developed by ISRO. It is correct. Statement 1 is correct. Ki hoy Gaganyaan ki hoy India's first human spaceflight mission, aru it is developed by ISRO. Thik ase? Next, the first test flight of Gaganyaan is scheduled for December 2025. So, prothom test flight ketiale schedule korise December 2025 on. India will become the first Asian country to send humans to space with Gaganyaan. This is also this is not correct. This is not correct. Sorry. So statement 3 is not correct. India will not be the first in Asia. China 2003 Chenzhou 5 mission already achieved human space flight. ठीक है? So India first নহয়. So 3 to incorrect hobo. 4 to ki koise the mission includes the development of a high thrust electric propulsion system. So statement 4 is correct. So 1, 2 and 4 only will be the correct answer. That is option B. Next, the government of India has launched a sustainable, iconic and lesser known destination initiative scheme with an outlay of kiman 3,295.76 crore to boost kihor karone kora hoise, to boost tourism across India. Thik ase? Main aim of the scheme is to develop iconic and lesser known destinations, promote responsible tourism, sustainability and local economic upliftment. So enuka jeta scheme bur dia thake tumaluke especially enuka data khini monot rakhiba aru logote main aim to hoday monot rakhiba. Thik ase? Main aim to ami jana to bahut important hoy, so monot rakhiba. Tar bisot a total of 40 projects had been sanctioned under SASI, that is Sustainable, Iconic and Lesser Known Destination Initiative, which are 100% centrally funded for capital investment. ठीक है? Total of kiman projects, 40 projects has been sanctioned under this scheme, which are 100% aru etu 100% center fund korise. ठीक है? for capital investment. The initiative will also support local artisans. Kiki support koribo local artisans ok support koribo aru communities local communities khiniko tar bisot boost the local economy boost koribo aru encourage private sector participation. Private sector participation encourage koribo thik ase. So ekhini monot rakhiba scheme khini ami main aim aru ki target korise main target to ki hoy hetu ami monor rakha to bahut important hoy jay thik ase. So with reference to this scheme consider the following statement. So etu scheme or sarita statement dia ase kungita correct hoy sabo lage. The SSCI scheme has been launched by the Ministry of Tourism to develop iconic and lesser known tourist destination. Ki develop koribole kune launch korise Ministry of Tourism and launch korise ki develop koribole iconic and lesser known tourist destination develop koribole. So statement 1 is correct. 2 to ki koise it is centrally sponsored scheme where both center and states share the funding. This is not correct. Both center and states funding share nokore. Completely centrally funded hoy centrally complete fund korise thik ase. So statement 2 is not correct. 3 to ki koise under the scheme 40 projects with a total outlay of 3296.76 crore have been sanctioned. Eto correct hoy. 4 to ki koise the scheme also aims to promote sustainability, support local artisan and encourage private sector participation. This is also correct. Scheme to sustainability promote koribo tar bisot local artisan aru communities khini support koribo aru private sector participation encourage koribo. So 1, 3 and 4 only will be the correct answer. That is option A. Next, Yamuna water pipeline. The states of Haryana and Rajasthan have signed an MOU to jointly prepare a deadline project report for the Yamuna water pipeline project. ঠিক আছে? So Haryana আৰু Rajasthane sign কৰিছে এখন MOU to jointly prepare a detailed project report. কিহৰ কাৰণে? For Yamuna water pipeline project. ঠিক আছে? The project aims to transfer, main aim of the project ki transfer Yamuna water from Hatnikund, Haryana to Churu, Sikar, Jhunjhunu and other district of Rajasthan through underground pipeline. ঠিক আছে? In phase 1 up to 577 MCM million cubic meters of water will be transferred between July and October each year, primarily for drinking water and local requirements. ঠিক আছে? However, the transfer will occur only after Western Yamuna Canal's full capacity, 24,000 cusecs is utilized, including Delhi's share. So, এটা MCQ sum. With reference to Yamuna water pipeline project, consider the following statements. So here are 4 statements. Kunkita correct hai ami sabo lage. The project involves interstate cooperation between Haryana and Rajasthan. Kihor majot sign hoisile MOU khon Haryana and Rajasthanor majot. So statement 1 is correct. 2 to ki koise water will be transferred from Hatnikund in Haryana to district of Rajasthan like Churu and Jhunjhunu. So this is also correct. Corpora transfer koribo Hatnikund in Haryana pora kisuman Rajasthanor districts like Churu aru Jhunjhunut ki koribo water transfer koribo. So statement 2 is correct. The water 3 to ki koise the water transfer will be carried out through underground pipelines. Keneke transfer koribo through underground pipeline. So statement 3 is also correct. 4 to ki koise the transfer will be unconditional and not linked to Western Yamuna canals. So this is not correct. Transfer is conditional. ঠিক আছে? Depending on Western Yamuna canal utilization, including Delhi's share. ঠিক আছে? আমি already চাইছো এটো. So 1, 2 and 3 only will be the correct answer. That is option A. Next, Onkia Nat. So Onkia Nat আমি সবে জানো is a traditional one act play form of Assam introduced by কোনে introduce কৰিছে শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱে introduce কৰিছে এতিয়া in 15-16 century as a part of neo Vaishnavic bhakti movement. ঠিক আছে? কিহত লিখা হয় কোনটো ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজত লিখা হয় written in Brajawali তাৰপিছত a blend of Maithili and Assamese this plays depicts episode from lives of কাৰ লাইভৰ ওপৰত ইয়াৰ অংকীয়া নাটৰ এপিসোডছ খিনিয়ে কাৰ লাইভ ডেপিক্ট কৰে কৃষ্ণ ৰাম আৰু আদাৰ বৈষ্ণৱী থিমছ ঠিক আছে performed in Sotras in and village spaces. They combine Borgit devotional songs, Hotya dance, music, and mask making, Mukha Hilpo, with the Sutradhar narrating and linking the story for the audience. So Sutradhar story to narrate kori thake, thik ase audience or karne. বৰগীত থাকে সত্ৰীয়া নৃত্য থাকে তাৰপা মিউজিক লগতে মুখা শিল্পও থাকে ঠিক আছে মনত ৰাখিবা blending religion art and social reform অংকীয়া নাচ strengthen Assamese cultural identity and shaped evolution of সত্ৰীয়া নৃত্য ঠিক আছে now a classical dance form still performed during festival they have expanded beyond satras to national and international platform agote jehetu satrate kora hoisle kintu etia national aru international platform oto kora hoy carrying Shankardev universal message of devotion peace and unity ঠিক আছে so etu ওপৰত এটা মেইনছৰ কোৱেশ্চন দিয়া হৈছে তোমালোকে এটো এটেম্প কৰিব ট্ৰাই কৰিবা it will be helpful for you guys so এবাৰ স্ক্ৰিনশ্বট লৈ লোৱা that's all for today thank you